Have you ever improvised a repair, fashioned a homemade tool, or created a shop make-do? Then you'll appreciate today's shop hacks.
Barns and machine sheds always seem to house a disarray of shovels, hoes, spades, brooms, and pry rods falling every which way, says Ronald Kay. The Van Wert, Ohio farmer and his grandson came up with this solution created from 2x12s.
Using a jigsaw, the storage rack was created by cutting storage slots in the 2x12s.
The slots were cut at 20-degree angles and then rounded out at their bottoms. The slots can be spaced approximately every 10 to 12 inches, depending on your needs. Whenever we need to use something, it's always in the right spot, the farmer says. It's a great way to store everything in one place.
And a great feature of the family storage racks is that they can be easily added onto for even more storage.
There's more where this came from. Other farmer-inspired hacks like this can be found at agriculture.com/shophacks.
While you're there, vote for the stacked shovel structure submitted by Ronald Kay in the Shop Hacks contest.